This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by the Ocean City Department of Tourism.
Golden crusted Mahi Imperial. That's center stage today here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen, and it is getting 5-star reviews during Restaurant Week in Ocean City.
Oh yeah, and leading the charge is Chef Rashad Christopher of Coastal Salt. He joins us here, and you are going to show us how to make this amazing dish. There's a lot to it though, right?
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
But it's simple.
It is simple?
Yeah, it's very simple.
Okay, well you're gonna have us get to work here. What are we doing?
All right, cool. First step, let me get you to get some gloves on because you don't want your hands smelling like fish.
Okay, oh, thank you. Yeah, my dog would probably
He would love
have an issue with that. Okay.
All right, cool. After you got those on, got a pan for you, nice, hot, and ready.
Okay.
Got a little bit of oil and butter.
Okay, so is this the oil here?
Yes, that is the oil right there.
All of this, or?
All of it. There you go.
Okay.
A little bit of butter as well.
This is a little bit of butter, right?
Just one block for now.
Oh,
It's all relative, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so we get that. Oh, you're right, it is hot there.
Yeah, there you go. Let that get for a little bit. You want that anywhere from medium to high. You don't want it too high, otherwise you'll burn the butter.
Oh, okay.
All right, cool. Then we got salt and pepper right here. Grab your fish, hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper on top. Yeah, there you go. Flip it over, get the other side too. There you
you can tell
go.
Lisa has some experience at this.
I've salt and peppered a few dishes in my day. All right, and now we're gonna
There
put.
you go, nice and bubbling. You want to grab your fish, be careful.
Yep.
Don't drop it in there, don't want you to burn
And
yourself.
you do it away from you, right?
There you go.
That's one thing I've learned in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. A few other things, but that's an important one there. And the mahi is cooking.
Yep, the mahi is cooking. While that's cooking, Jimmy got you right now. Going to grab your bowl.
Okay,
Yep. Then you're going to take your spoon, scoop in some of your Imperial sauce.
here.
Yep, that's
Right.
the Imperial sauce
Is
right
this
there.
a super secret recipe that you have?
Yes, don't tell nobody.
Okay. All over the part.
Do all of it.
Bring it all in. All right. Super secret Imperial sauce is in.
Yes, sir. And then right here, we have the lump and then the jumbo lump. Right now, you want to start with the jumbo lump. You're
Okay.
going to mix that in there and blend it real well.
This is easy to break up, isn't it?
Yep.
I gotta be careful with that.
I like those bowls.
Those are that's a lot.
They match our kitchen.
Yes, they do. So if you forget them, don't expect us to call you. Just want to share that real quick.
Keep that in mind.
All right, put the rest of the.
Yes, sir.
Grab
Throw
it.
the rest right in there.
And what am I watching for
How
here?
you looking over here?
I don't know. Is that where the
Looks like your
tongs
fish
come
is
in?
cooking.
Yeah, your fish is cooking. So a
Okay.
good indication of when to flip it, you'll notice a golden crust on the side.
Oh, okay. Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay,
Got
so
another minute or so.
Another minute or so? Okay.
All right, we got the crab in.
All right, that's perfect. That's going to set off on the side.
Okay.
Wait for the fish to be ready.
Come on, fish.
Come on, fish.
So this is a popular menu item?
Yes, this is our top seller. We
Uh-huh.
have been selling this since year one. It's a
Really?
staple on our menu.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere.
So when
Not-
was year one?
Year one, 2020.
Ah.
Okay.
So you worked out all the kinks. You got it going now.
Yeah, this
Nice.
is year 5 for me.
Nice. So you were there from the beginning.
Not the beginning, I came the season after.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Why do you
Still,
like-
that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why do you like it so much?
We created something, all of us together. We're like a family down there. It's a great environment. I love being there. The people there are fantastic.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, I got to meet a lot of people and I learn a lot.
Not just someplace you work.
No, it's more than that.
My.
Oh. All right, what are you thinking?
Your fish is fishy, so you can go ahead and flip it.
Okay. My fish is what?
It's fishing.
It's fishing. My fish is
Hey,
fishing.
did you check those?
Oh, I forgot to make sure my tongs are tonging.
Oh,
They're tonging.
they're
but-
tonging.
Anyway. All right, we're
All
gonna
right,
let
that's
that go.
perfect.
Okay.
All right, let that go for another minute or so.
Another minute or
then
so?
after that, we're going to kill the heat, and then you're going to slap your Imperial right on top. Throw it
Okay.
in
In
the
the pan?
oven. On top of the fish.
In the pan.
Yep, we're going to
Goes
put a
in the
whole
oven.
pan in the oven.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, so do you think this is a great place to maybe just take a little break and come back and finish the recipe?
Sure.
Sounds good? All right, Jimmy, put that down.
Oh, sorry.
We might need it.
Say that for later.
Saving it for later. Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
Okay, so we made the secret sauce and we dispatched it over the seared fish. And here shortly, it's going to be a time to give it all a taste. We are, of course, with Rashad Christopher, who is the chef of Coastal Salt. Thank you again for doing all of this. So what are we doing now?
Next, we're going to be working on the lemon tarragon sauce. That's where you come in.
Oh,
Got a
I love
pot ready hot for you to go.
okay.
You're going to take this butter here.
Uh-huh. How much?
Throw 2 of those blocks in there.
2 of them going in.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Perfect.
Ooh,
There
that
you
is
go.
hot.
Yep, nice and hot. You're gonna take half of that garlic and the shallots.
All the shallots.
Yes, sir.
Half the garlic. What happened if I went in with all of the garlic?
Well, if you really like garlic, then it'll be very garlicky.
All right, please, I'll be nice. And all of the shallots?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All right, that's going in.
Perfect.
So this is going in hot. Doesn't that stuff like cook quick and burn?
Yep. You want it nice and translucent, low turner. See how we got that going right there?
Okay.
Cool. And then next, we're gonna get you with 2 lemons.
2 lemons.
Yep.
Just drop them right.
That would be
Sound like
interesting.
a good idea to me.
Oh, you looking for a knife?
Get
Chop
you
this.
a knife.
Yeah,
There
I
go
get you one.
So you
Yeah,
say
here.
2
there you
lemons.
go.
In other words, I'm just squeezing them in, right?
Yep.
So, okay.
But no seeds.
No seeds.
No seeds in the sauce.
What's the trick to doing that? Have you got one?
Cool. Roll that out a little bit.
Okay. This
Cut
way,
it.
that way? Does it matter?
That way.
This way? All right.
Watch your fingers.
Oh,
Yeah,
see, he didn't say that part. Okay, so there's one.
All right. Cool.
Second one is rolled and cut.
Yep. So a good trick. Take it in my hand. Just squeeze it.
Oh, trap them with your fingers.
Yep.
Gotcha, okay.
We're gonna do 1 for now. 1 half.
1 lemon? 1/2, okay.
1/2 for right
Gotcha.
now. Cool. Got that going good.
Okay.
Then right here, got your wine. Throw a little bit of wine in there. Then we save the rest for later.
It's in the bottle. Now I understand.
Yeah. While that's going,
Huh?
want to let those get nice and cooked and translucent. Then after another minute, that's when your heavy cream comes into play.
And
Oh.
while we're waiting for that minute, you guys are participating in Restaurant Week in Ocean City.
Yes, we
So
are.
is this one of the offerings you'll have?
Yes, this is one of the offerings that we have on there, along with the other selected items.
And how do you like a Restaurant Week? It has to be fun to see new people come in and cook for them.
Yeah, it is fun. We like to try out different things for Restaurant Week, and sometimes we take items from our current menu and have them at a discounted price, but it's awesome. I enjoy doing that every year.
Do you, we heard some of the restaurants kind of test drive their customers to see what goes over well, what doesn't. Is that how you use it too, to see? Y'all
Yeah.
like this? Always put that on
Yeah, it's a great tool for us to use. We like to have positive or negative feedback so that way we can correct it.
the, what's going on? Okay,
Yeah,
makes
good.
sense. Ready for this?
Yes, sir.
All right, all of it go in?
All of it goes right in
All of
there.
it going in. Do I need to stir it as I go, or?
Yep, got a whisk for you right here.
Oh, okay, I was gonna use a spoon.
He's a
thing
good
you grab the
whisker.
I would probably argue that, but okay.
There you go.
Do I need to hurry so I don't burn anything?
Just stir it occasionally, every minute or so. And then you have the salt and pepper over here. Just throw a dash in there.
You want me to
You are
dash
the
it?
salt and pepper meister.
There you go.
Look at you. Look at you. She's going for altitude.
You forgot to say bam.
We think that's trademark, but we're not sure.
Yeah, we got to be careful with that.
All that stuff costs us money every now and then.
All right.
And now you're going to have me work on the hash.
So while that's going, we're gonna let that reduce a little bit. Then we're gonna add a lemon juice for the time being. We'll get you going
Here?
with this hash.
Okay.
You can do that? Okay, how much? All of it? The rest of it?
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 halves of the lemon juice.
2 halves of lemon juice.
Cool.
So what do I put in here first?
Gonna do your butter. We got some
Butter. Oh,
over
gotta
here.
Need
toss
your
the butter back.
Sorry. Butter.
Glad we're using it. How many?
Let's do 2.
2.
Yeah.
Woo, we're
More
up in the
butter.
butter.
We like more butter.
Slide it down here and get it nice and a little hot
A
for
little
you.
hot. Okay.
Do I have to guarantee you no seeds? Boy, I hope not.
All right, there you go. So you want to start off with your fingerling potatoes. Throw them in first.
Okay.
Reasoning behind that, you want that to get like a nice golden crust on there.
Okay. Just kinda.
Man, he is working us today.
Yeah, he is.
So many times we could stand around, watch the chef do the work. You're making us do it.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. All right.
He's trying us out to see if we could work in the kitchen.
Yeah, you guys are doing great. Might have to bring you down there to show some salt with
Now
us.
you guys are located on the
16th Street, right on the boardwalk.
right on the boardwalk. If I were going to choose a restaurant to work in, it would be on the boardwalk, definitely. All right, so we've got to kind of move things along here. So
Cool. Give it a little stir,
give-
shake it up a little bit.
shake it up. Okay. Ooh, that's hot.
Oh my.
You didn't tell me it was hot.
Sorry. I have kitchen hands. I
Yeah, be
didn't feel
quick.
it.
Kitchen hands. We know all about kitchen hands. And remember that OC Restaurant Week runs through May 11th. It's going on right now. Reservations are encouraged. They're not necessary, but you probably should make them. We'll have a link to all the information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Just click on what's happening today, and you'll
starting
find
to
out
smoke here a little bit. Is that
all.
okay?
the restaurants involved.
Bring it up to a boil.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to.
That is perfect. So
Good.
we're gonna kill it off the heat for
Off
a
the
little
heat,
bit, and
right.
then that lemon, squeeze it right in there.
Go into there. I'll go ahead and turn that burner off.
Yep, turn
Okay.
that burner right off.
That one's off.
Okay, we've got a minute. So,
How quick can you do this, chef?
Oh, we can do this real quick. You're
Okay.
perfect. Throw that asparagus and those roasted shallots in there.
okay.
And then for you, that is tarragon right there. Throw half of that
Half
right
of
here.
this? Oh, that.
Tarragon, throw half of that in there.
Okay. Half the tarragon is in.
Perfect. Give that a whisk for me.
Okay.
I'm trying to do it like the chefs do it. I
There you
can't.
go. You gotta flip the wrist
No.
a little
Yeah,
bit.
go ahead. Do that flip.
No, it'll end up everywhere.
Hot handle, chef. That's what it's hot handle.
All right, that is a great sauce.
Good there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And then you have, is this tarragon or is this
That is parsley. Throw
parsley?
it in there for a little bit of greenery.
A little bit of
Makes it
greenery.
pop.
So it'll pop.
Yeah,
There we go. And then
doing
obviously we have a finished one right there. We're gonna go ahead and
Can we go ahead and dive into that?
dive in.
Yeah.
Have at it.
All righty. This will be great. This is awesome. Chef, thank you.
Thank you so
Again,
much.
tell us again where you are.
My name is Chef Rashad, and I'm over at Coastal Salt on 16th Street, Ocean City, Maryland.
On the boardwalk, right?
On the boardwalk.
On the boardwalk.
Walk. All right.
Come by for
Come
Restaurant
by for
week?
a restaurant week, Mahi Imperial.
and enjoy yourself.
Enjoy.
Jimmy, I don't think you're gonna like it. Thank you so much, Chef.
Yeah.